I think a love potion needs a very special kind of bottle, don't you? So let's start with the top at the top. It's like a little sausage. And this is the neck of the jar or the bottle. So it's coming down there. And then we want to come around and down into a heart shape. So that's going to come in a point down there. And around and down into a point shape. It's quite difficult to get them the same each side, isn't it? And then we're going to do another kind of sausage at the bottom and maybe a little curve, which is going to be the stand. Now we want to draw an inline like that and another inline. That's what we call that. Sort of when we step just to one side of a line and follow it around, it's an inline. So this is going to be the love potion. That's going to make you fall in love, or it's going to make somebody fall in love with you. Which do you want? And then we want to sort of carry that around there a little bit. And as we come around the corner, just dot that away, and then it kind of just disappears. And then we kind of want to have the thickness of the glass that you can see in there. And we're going to have a cork. So that's just slightly wider at the top there, and that sort of goes in like that. And corks have little funny patterns on them like that, don't they? And I think we need a bit of shininess there just to make it look shiny. I think we can probably do a little bit of something like that on the bottom as well. It's going to make that just slightly wider. And that's how you draw a love potion bottle. Thanks for watching and subscribing to Draw Stuff Real Easy so you can come back and do lots more drawings. Join me on Patreon for colouring pages and lots more. Bye.